name is Chris Crow. I work for Portworx. In my role, I'm a technical marketing engineer. Pure Storage is a storage company, and Portworx is a business unit within it. And Portworx deals with software-defined storage for Kubernetes. So we're really kind of the modern application business unit inside of Pure Storage. We use Instruqt for actually all of the workshops that we deliver. This particular one was custom for Kubecon. It really provides an environment that we can spin up our own infrastructure inside of Google, inside of your guys' sandbox, which, hey, every student gets their own thing to play with that's real instead of it being a script or anything else, which is really the best way to learn. The workshop that we did was really a showcase of a number of Portworx features that we did over a period of, 5 or 6 hours, covering use cases such as disaster recovery, snapshots, application automation, and a number of things like that. I think we had about 25 active labs with 30 to 35 attendees. You know, it was the first time we delivered it. It went really well. And for anything that's that technical, that has, the 20, 25 people that are all going through this over a series of hours, to have it work that well is helpful. Oh, I think it's the only way a lot of people can actually learn. It's one thing to say that Portworx does this thing and try to describe it in the abstract. But when you take somebody and they have a time to really learn about it, and not in just a sales context or anything else, I think is when people really get what a product or a solution actually does at that point. Because without some sort of hands-on experience that can be accessible to somebody, it's too hard to understand what a product does, how it's going to be useful. And a big part of that is being able to have a learning environment that they didn't have to spend the 6 to 8 hours of requisite work to get to a point where they can even start learning, which is why I think it's so important, and it's a ton of fun.